Friends, Rennie Kimono here. So I just wanted to share this story with you guys because if you can relate to this, I wouldn't feel so alone because it is really out there. But I think this is just probably the most common occurrence with most of us who extreme coupon or you like clearance shopping or what have you. So I was recently at a Costco. I went like twice in 1 week. I just could not stay out of that store, and I know that it is a bit more pricey, but I'm on the keto diet. I always have to mention this in every video, but been on a low carb diet for more than a year. And for whatever reason, that specific store really caters to low carb dieting. I don't know if it's in their marketing or what. I wasn't even thinking about making a video on this subject matter, but I thought about it a bit more and I thought maybe one of you might be able to relate. So that's why I'm making the video. Anyhow, I photographed this little cart. My husband wasn't with me and I'm just like, hey, here's some of the goodies that I got. And of course, the pizza rolls are for him and, the sticky rice. But the keto stuff is for me, like, the shrimp and the salad and the little keto puffs and the riced cauliflower, the really super uber stuff. That's keto. So I grabbed all this stuff, but my husband wasn't with me, so I didn't have to rush because he doesn't like being in stores very long. So whenever he's with me at Costco, it's like, we're like the Marine Corps, go, 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 quick, 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 in and out. I don't know if any of you can relate to that, but I did go into like the section with all of the vitamins, toothpaste. I never usually head over there, but I'm like, I have a little bit of time. I'm going to look around. And I found this really adorable holiday gift set of hand soaps. And these were all really, really big. So they were 21.5 fluid ounces. So a larger bottle. And they were like newspaper themed with 4 different Christmas scents. So they already have their Christmas stuff on display. I didn't even take a picture of this because I couldn't. There was a woman and her daughter who just kept like, they were right there. And the store was really empty on a Sunday afternoon, but they would circle around. I think they wanted to look at the soaps too, but they were being weird. So they were like staring at me and just glaring at me. But I just kept putting it in the basket and then thinking and then putting it back. And I must have done that 3 times because I have no business buying any hand soap because I'm an extreme couponer. So why am I going to pay $11.99 for 4 hand soaps? So I was wrestling with this dilemma in my mind while another shopper just kept leering at me with her teenage daughter, and I don't even know what that was about, but they finally left. But for a good 20 minutes, guys, I kept taking it, putting it in my cart, putting it back, putting it in my cart, putting it back, and I was just wrestling with this dilemma so much that I should not buy this because I probably have more hand soap than most stores in my stockpile. What am I doing here? Hand soap is hand soap, but the container is so stinking cute. Don't I deserve a cute container? But didn't you buy a whole bunch of hand soap that was holiday themed at Bath & Body Works last year on the semi-annual sale? So I talked myself out of it and I didn't buy it. And even for $12, it was really one of these things I was wrestling with. And yes, I could have bought it and hid it and whatever, but I have so much of this at home. I have gifted so much of this over the years. Why do I need more? I need to stop. And I'm kind of proud of myself that I didn't impulse buy it. Yet I'm still thinking about that 4-pack of Christmas soap. Like, I don't know what that is, buyer's remorse or what. But hopefully it doesn't sell out. I thought to myself, if I see it on clearance towards closer to Christmas or maybe towards like, January, I'll buy them all at 50% off. It was $6. I would buy all of them in a heartbeat. But for that price at $12, I'm like, no. Have you guys ever had that? You're like, you have something in your stockpile at home, but you see something at Costco that's packaged so adorably. Such an impulse buy, and this is how you can get your basket up to $300. I've certainly been there. So as I was leaving the store, you know how sometimes you can grab a box? This is the company. It's called Vintage Press, and of course I had to grab the box now and look at it. So it's 4 of these hand soaps at 21.5 fluid ounce. Even if you wanted to buy the 4-pack and gift them, here I'm trying to rationalize why I would want them. And they had one called Sugar Cookie. And I'm like, that must be glorious. But I'm going to use Christmas hand soap in the dead of September. The box had all of this newspaper writing too. It was super uber cute. I might have to grab one because I just can't stop thinking about this. Yet I know you don't need it because you have more hand soap than probably anyone, like including a store. So don't do it. Yet I'm wrestling with, should I go back and get it? It's so super uber cute, but do I need it? It is a want, not a need. And my little wimpy basket of food was like $130 and I barely bought anything. I showed you guys my cart. But it's just like one of these things, like you just wrestle with it. And as an extreme couponer, I didn't buy it. What would you guys have done? I'm curious. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.